Today I have a big announcement. In spring 23 I am embarking on my most ambitious or crazy adventure yet, Te Araroa, New Zealand's trail. This is a continuous 3,000 kilometre walking track from Cape Reinga at the top of the North Island to Bluff at the bottom of the South Island in New Zealand. I think it's going to take me about 110 to 130 days, which means averaging about 25 kilometres a day, every day. So for comparison, the longest hike I've done up until now was when I was in Fiordland a couple of years ago and I did the Routeburn and Greenstone Tracks, and that trip took 5 days and was about 105 kilometres. You can see this is a massive step up and I'm really excited and a little bit apprehensive about this trip. My preparations are well underway and that includes sorting all sorts of logistics. It's my training, I'm organising gear and all kinds of other planning as well. I've still got to find a tent as the last one leaked too much and had to be binned. There's so much for me to organise still, and one of my biggest projects at the moment is preparing all the food, as I'll be relying on bounce or resupply boxes the whole way, and that on its own is a logistical nightmare. So for the next few months before I start on the trail, I'll create a series of videos on all of these topics. So watch out for them because they're going to be particularly useful if you're planning to do your own through hike or something of that nature. Then once I'm on the trail, I'll be sharing daily updates on all my social media channels, so you'll be able to follow along, and then on completion, I'll make a feature documentary to be posted on YouTube. And while I'm on the trail, I hope to meet as many people as possible, especially my followers and supporters of the Freewheeling Kiwi. So please do send me a direct message or an email if you live along or near to the trail, or if you're going to be on the trail this season yourself, as I'd love to meet up with you. And also, if you know of, or if you are a business would like to support the trip in some way, please do get in touch ahead of time, as I'm sure between us we can figure out some way to work together. In the meantime, take care.